Hello, my name is Kendall. Welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Kendall. So when I have been posting shorts for a little while now, I started doing create my own emojis. And it's been really fun, but I want to bring you guys along the process on how I do it so you can make your own customizable, really personalized emoji yourself. If you do end up enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe so you can become a part of our growing art family. And without any further introduction, let me show you how to create an emoji. To begin, we are going to start off with a perfect circle so that we have the base for our emoji. At this point, it may be good to start sketching out some ideas for what you want your emoji to look like. I just freehanded it, but feel free to take some time to sketch beforehand. My inspo for this emoji was when somebody is really getting on your nerves and they just keep going no matter how many times you ask them to stop. And then you just get to the point where you're like, all right, fight me. Throw on the gloves, let's fight. So that's the inspo for this emoji. To make it easier for myself, I did just duplicate the eye and flip it so that I didn't have to draw a whole new one. Now the base for our emoji is done. Its emotions have already been put down through its eyes and its mouth. But what's going to make these emojis so unique is what we're about to add to it. Adding a little detail and giving our character little features plus accessories will really make our emoji stand out from the basic emojis that are already out there. Feel free to go crazy with this, add as much or as little as you want to, and even add words to the back of it because that is what I'm going to do with mine. Now it's time for the fun part. Pick your colors. They do not have to be the exact colors of a traditional emoji. Some ideas of ways that you can color your emoji is through doing some ombre or full-on coloring it a different color that matches the emotion of your emoji. Now that you have your base colors down, you can leave your emoji just like this, or you can add some shadows to make it even more dramatic. A great way to save and use your new emoji is by removing the background and saving it as a PNG. And other than that, you're done. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it inspired you to create your own personalized emoji. Make it look like how you feel on the inside when there is no other emoji to express yourself. I hope you stick around to become a part of our art family. If there's anything else you would like me to create, please leave it down in the comment section below so I can create what you want to see. Make sure to take care of yourself, drink enough water, eat enough food, you know what to do. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!